Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your speaker JBL Boombox 4 to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check the video at this channel. And now let's move to adding this speaker to the app. So firstly we should pair it with the phone, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Now if you have Android you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth like on the iPhone. Now we should turn on the speaker and enter to pairing mode to connect it. So at the top of the speaker we have power button, single press at this button, and we just did it. We see the LED light and hear this prompt. Now, if it's your first connection, speaker should enter to pairing mode automatically. You will hear the prompt and Bluetooth button start blinking white. And also we can enter to pairing mode manually. After you turn on your speaker, you need to single press at the Bluetooth button at the top. We hear the prompt, these lights are blinking, and now we see the speaker at the device list. Tap at your speaker to connect it, and after that, if you have Android, also click pair. Now you can hide the settings and open JBL Portable application. And as you can see, it automatically found this speaker and just added to the app after we connect to the phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!